TV or radio ads, great friend to Habitats, and in addition to all of the other things to do with this, they give us a couple of trucks every summer to help out with the support for volunteers and our construction department. Dan?
Thanks,
Hello, everybody. We like these events where keys are being handed over to people. We're usually giving them for vehicles, and that's always an exciting day as well. I'm here really on behalf of the entire Murray team, which is both Murray Chevrolet and Murray Hyundai. And we're here to congratulate all of the families that are receiving their keys for their new homes. It's an incredibly exciting and memorable day for you. At Murray's, we've been longtime supporters of Habitat. As Sandy mentioned, we've been providing dependable Chevrolet trucks for the work sites. And we got involved in the automotive build this year. We really appreciated the opportunity to learn about the entire home ownership process. Kim came out to the dealership and talked to us about how the entire process works, and that was an important thing for us to know. And then to be able to come on site and learn how much work is put involved by the homeowners, by the coordinators, the volunteers, and the builders themselves. The supervisors that we worked with, that I noticed a couple of them here tonight, were terrific guys to work with. They really were amazing guys. They made it to be a fun day. Their knowledge rubbed off on us. We know a little bit about cars, but we don't know much about building, and they were terrific to work with. For us, like Butch had mentioned, it was a great team building activity. And the staff that we had 15 people for the day that we were here. Everybody was here on their own time. And that's something that I really respect and admire them for. So anyways, on behalf of everybody at Murray's, the 200 plus employees that we have in the city, I want to congratulate all the homeowners on this exciting and memorable day for you. So thank you very much.
Thank you, Dan. Now, in recognition of the tremendous support, long-standing support from Manitoba Housing, we've asked Minister Ross if she would turn the keys over.